staying strong and independent doesn't have to mean spending hours at the gym. In fact, just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference for seniors over 60. It's not about intense workouts. It is about consistency, movement, and using the right kind of exercises that target the muscles and joints most affected by aging. As we grow older, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, flexibility, and balance. This process, called sarcopenia, can begin as early as your 30s and speeds up after 60. But there is good news: you can fight back. Regular, simple exercises can slow this decline, helping you maintain your strength, mobility, and independence. Today, we'll talk about a 5-minute daily routine that's easy to follow, safe for seniors, and incredibly effective. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is a chair, a wall, and your willingness to take 5 minutes for your health each day. Let's begin with the first exercise, chair squats. This movement strengthens your thighs, glutes, and hips, essential muscles for walking, climbing stairs, and getting in and out of chairs. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself until you just touch the chair with your backside, then stand back up. Do this 10 times. If balance is a concern, keep your hands on a table or counter for support. Next is the wall push-up. This helps strengthen the upper body, especially your chest, shoulders, and arms. Stand facing a wall. Place your palms flat on the wall at shoulder height, and slowly bend your elbows to bring your face closer to the wall. Then push back to the starting position. Do this 10 times. It's a gentle, safe way to maintain upper body strength without putting stress on the joints. Third, we have the seated leg extension. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back straight. Slowly lift one leg out straight in front of you, hold for a few seconds, then lower it. Alternate between legs and repeat 10 times per leg. This builds strength in the quadriceps, which are critical for walking and standing. Now, let's work on balance with the single leg stand. Stand behind a chair, holding the backrest lightly. Lift one foot off the ground and balance on the other for 10 seconds, then switch legs. This may seem simple, but balance is crucial in preventing falls, the #1 cause of injury in seniors. Finally, end your 5 minutes with neck and shoulder rolls. Sit or stand comfortably. Gently roll your shoulders forward and backward 5 times each, then roll your neck slowly from side to side. This relaxes tight muscles and improves circulation, great for those who spend a lot of time sitting. These 5 exercises, chair squats, wall push-ups, seated leg extensions, single leg stands, and neck-shoulder rolls, cover your whole body in just 5 minutes. They strengthen your muscles, improve your balance, and keep your joints moving. The best part? These movements can be done at home, in your living room, at your own pace. No pressure. No equipment. Just 5 minutes every day. And over time, the benefits add up. People who practice these kinds of simple daily movements report fewer injuries, more energy, better sleep, and greater confidence in their ability to live independently. And for seniors, maintaining independence is one of the most important goals for quality of life. Remember to stay consistent. It's not about how hard you push, it's about showing up daily. Make this routine part of your morning or evening ritual, just like brushing your teeth or making tea. And always listen to your body. If something hurts, stop. If you feel unsure, talk to your doctor or a physical therapist. You can always modify movements to suit your needs. So, if you're over 60 and want to stay strong, steady, and self-sufficient, start this 5-minute routine today. You'll be amazed at how a little effort each day can transform your strength, balance, and confidence.